Middleweight sport touring motorcycles versus 650 LT review, touring comfort on a budget. In the world of middleweight sport touring motorcycles, few bikes strike a better balance between value, comfort, and capability than the Kawasaki Versys 650 LT. Positioned as the long-distance touring-ready version of the popular Versys 650, the LT variant enhances rider comfort and practicality without adding significant cost. For riders seeking touring comfort on a budget, the Versys 650 LT continues to be a standout choice in 2025. The Versys 650 LT shares the same reliable 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine found across Kawasaki's middleweight range. With 67 horsepower and 61 Nm of torque, the engine delivers smooth, manageable power suitable for both novice and experienced riders. Whether carving mountain roads or cruising the highway, the LT feels responsive and refined. What sets the LT apart from the base Versys 650 are its factory-installed touring features. The bike comes standard with Kawasaki's KQR, Kawasaki Quick Release, 28-liter hard saddlebags, allowing for easy luggage storage on multi-day trips. It also features handguards, offering improved weather protection, and a larger adjustable windscreen to reduce fatigue during long-distance rides. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and plush seat all contribute to exceptional rider comfort. The long-travel suspension handles everything from pothole-ridden city streets to open highway cruising, while the 21-liter fuel tank allows for more than 350 kilometers per fill-up. At 219 kilograms wet, the Versys 650 LT is easy to maneuver and feels much lighter than it appears, even when fully loaded. This makes it an ideal option for those who want a capable tourer that doesn't feel like a heavyweight. The LT's versatility is also a major selling point. It's equally comfortable on a daily commute, weekend backroad blast, or cross-country ride. Versys 650 LT on YouTube, rider favorite for real-world touring. The Versys 650 LT continues to earn praise from top motorcycle reviewers on YouTube, solidifying its reputation as one of the best value touring motorcycles. Fortnite featured the LT in Best Midweight Touring Bikes, over 1.1 million views, citing its comfort and low ownership cost. Chaparral Motorsports posted a full walk-around and test ride, 600K plus views, calling it the best touring setup in its class. Moto Jitsu praised the LT's handling and long-distance capabilities in his Versys LT versus V-Strom 650 comparison, 500K plus views. These videos often highlight the LT's unique advantage, providing all the essentials for serious touring, without the price tag of premium bikes like the Tracer 9 GT or V-Strom 1050DE. Conclusion: a touring bargain that delivers. The Kawasaki Versys 650 LT isn't just about saving money, it's about maximizing comfort, reliability, and performance in a practical package. For riders looking for a dependable sport touring motorcycle that's ready for the long haul right off the showroom floor, the LT version of the Versys 650 remains one of the smartest choices in 2025.